Hello, beautiful people. Let's go get us something to eat. We are here. I got it. Okay, so let me show you what I ordered. I ordered the Bangkok curry with white rice and grilled chicken. Smells good. I can smell it through the plastic here. And it got coconut milk in it, curry of course, peanuts, spinach, and I did mention grilled chicken, so we're going to try this out. And the grilled chicken looked like sliced chicken. It's hot too. Ooh wee. Okay. Hopefully y'all can see that. All right. Sun is beaming all in my camera. All right, get a little bit of that. Get a little taste. I can taste the coconut milk and the sweet chili. I forgot to mention that it has that in it. That's good. And the chicken is thinly sliced. It's thinly sliced. Give it about an 8 out of 10. That's tasty. I also ordered their fried chicken pot stickers. Okay? Look like that. See that? And they gave me a sauce. I imagine it's like a sweet and sour. They feel hard too. I hope it's not too hard that I can't eat it. It tastes just like a chicken pot sticker would. But I like the fact that it has a crunchy texture. You know, sometimes chicken pot stickers are very soft. Normally they are. But these are fried kind of hard and I like that. And the sauce, the dipping sauce, I forgot the name of it, like a vinegar, you know, like a vinegar taste. But the sauce pretty much sets it off too. It's good. Give it about an 8 out of 10. Okay, so if you plan on visiting Atlanta or you plan on moving here, you can come right up here on Church Street and try out Tin Drum Asian Kitchen. And it's called Tin Drum Asian Kitchen and Boba Tea. I didn't try the boba tea. I'll try that next time. But you can always come here and check it out. All right, if there's not one in your neighborhood. All right, bye-bye.